Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn the common errors in English with easy examples. And if you watch this video till the end, mostly the common errors in English would be understood and you would find them better and you won't repeat the same mistakes. Let's get started. Left hand side you would find the incorrect usage and to the right side you would find the correct usage. One of the student is interested in the competition. The correct one is one of the students is interested in the competition. He is waiting for me. Correct usage is he is waiting for me or he is awaiting me. He ordered for biryani. He ordered biryani. He returned back home. He returned home or he came back home. Since returned is equal to come back or came back. You revert back to me. Revert itself is get back. So you need not use the word back again. You revert to me is enough. He will has been writing. He will have been writing. After will, we always use have. He cooperated to me. The correct usage is he cooperated with me. I can able to complete the task. I am able to complete the task or I can complete the task should be the sentence as can is equal to able. Can and able wouldn't be coming side by side in the same sentence. He left to Mumbai yesterday. He left for Mumbai yesterday. She is my cousin's sister. She is my cousin. One should love his country. One should love one's country. I talk to my manager. I speak to my manager. Speak is formal, talk is informal. I have two son-in-laws. I have two sons-in-law. I am having two cars. I have two cars because I am having would be coming in the context of eating and I have is something the possession. She do not like it. Subject verb agreement here. She doesn't like it. What's the time in your watch? What's the time by your watch? He haven't come. He hasn't come is the right sentence. He did not complete it. He did not complete. I prefer for coffee. I prefer to coffee is the right usage. You are inferior or superior than her. You are inferior or superior to her. He ordered for biryani. He ordered biryani. I listen music daily. I listen to music daily. You refer dictionary. You refer to dictionary. They are juniors or seniors than us. They are juniors or seniors to us. I pray God. I pray to God. Mostly after these words, we use the preposition to. I was completed my studies. I completed my studies. He is writing nicely. The question should be starting with the helping verb followed by the subject. So, is he writing nicely? How he is managing the work now? So again, helping verb first, then followed by subject next to the WH word or question word. How is he managing the work now? Whose property this is? The correct sentence is whose property is this? You're coming now. The question should be, are you coming now? I live at Delhi. I live in Delhi. I went to school by walk. The correct usage is I went to school on foot. My brother has white hairs. We should say my brother has grey hairs. I prefer ice cream than gulab jamun. After the word prefer, we use the preposition to. I prefer to ice cream to gulab jamun. This scissor is not working. We should use it as scissors. This scissors is not working. There is a tie among two themes. We should say there is a tie between two themes. There is a discussion. Suppose if it is more than two, we can say there is a discussion among many persons. Okay? I look forward to meet you. I look forward to meeting you in email or any written communication. If we use the word forward to followed by V4, okay, ing word. Everyone are present, everyone is present. Everybody are listening, everybody is listening. He is not feeling well, he is not keeping well is the right usage. Yours gratefully in letters or even in emails when we are using yours at the thanking part, no apostrophe. Okay, we need not use apostrophe on top of r. This is mice. This is a wrong usage. We should say this is mine. Here let's see, when we are introducing our name, we should use it as my name is or I am. Myself and the name is the wrong usage. Okay, so myself Ramchandran is wrong. My name is Ramachandran or I am Ramchandran is the correct usage. I went to home, wrong. I went home. I went, my house is wrong. I went to my house. This is a walkable distance, wrong. This is a walking distance. When you came in the question context, we need to say, when did you come? She is suffering with fever, wrong. She is suffering from fever is the right usage. And this page, as you know, is all about my personality development course available on Udemy. And all the best, happy learning. And for any personal trainings, reach me at 9473518259. All the best. Take care. See you all in my next video. Thank you. Signing off, yours Ramachandran.